Hi, this video is about the training management system requirement by SkillsFuture Singapore. Do you know that SkillConnect will be progressively migrated to TP Gateway? SkillsFuture Singapore is digitalizing its key interface to improve the way training providers interact with SSG on training grants matters and reduce the admin burden. This will be achieved through the TP Gateway portal and its integrations with training management system used by training providers. Training providers will be able to use TMS to connect seamlessly to TP Gateway to transmit and receive up-to-date information on their courses and training grant transactions. Beyond achieving higher operational efficiency in managing training administration processes, an integrated TMS eliminates the need for training providers to manually prepare and perform duplication of data entry across multiple SSG systems. In the current process, TP needs to create training grants application for individuals, upload trainee data to My SkillsFuture portal. Upon completion of the assessment, TP needs to submit assessment results as well as ad hoc claims. Throughout this process, there are multiple duplications of data entry and it is very time-consuming. With the launch of TP Gateway portal, key information such as course detail, trainee enrollment, attendance and assessment records will be seamlessly transmitted from the integrated TMS to TP Gateway to facilitate training grant disbursement. This significantly saves time and effort of training providers submitting data to SSG for grant disbursement. To ensure that training providers can connect digitally and gain the full benefits of the digital workflows available in TP Gateway, all SSG-funded training providers will be required to have an integrated training management system by 31st of July 2021. Training providers who do not have a TMS can connect with us Zing Technologies, which we already have some of the required integration with SSG system. Our Integrated Auditing and Training Operating System ITOS is an affordable pay-per-use software as a service TMS, which has direct interface with SSG system for seamless connectivity and enjoy higher productivity. Furthermore, it is not an ordinary TMS with SSG system integration. It is also a TMS to maintain and upkeep the standard of your delivery in training and assessment. It has an audit management function where TPs can uplift their qualities of design and delivery and be ready anytime for SSG audit. We have simplified our pricing to make it as transparent and easy to understand as possible. Here's a quick summary. Each transaction is cost at $5. This is a pay-per-use module which allows you to pay for whatever you use only. There's no upfront cost. You can gain full access to this system without having to purchase it. No hidden fee. Even when future there's any updates or changes in SSG policies, there will be no additional fee incurred. You don't have the worries of minimum transaction commitment, and the number of admin account users will be provided based on your needs. Technical support will be provided, as well as ATO consultations will be provided to you too. For limited time period, we are giving attractive offers to early adopters. To find out more, call us at 6451-4530 for more information and find out our attractive early adopters deals.